Good morning everyone, it's Justin Explorer here. It's Saturday the 21st of September, and yes, I know I said I'd next be up on Sunday, but I am here today at Forest Rec. I am going to be helping the scouts put their stores up outside, so I'll bring you some of that footage, but I also wanted to show you the construction update from the roller coaster that we saw pulling on Thursday night, and show you what else is going off. So let's do this. So there we go then, there we can see the construction of the Wild Mouse, and apologies, it is very windy here today. But not only that, we can see some more vehicles have pulled on ready for tomorrow, and we'll take a wander down, and oh, in the distance we can see the second Wild Mouse coaster is also in construction, so let's go down and take a look. So just walking down what will become Food Alley, and I think, looking at the colour scheme, that's the Joker that was here last year. There's some Dodgems there, and then right down at the bottom you can see Pat Collins. So let's take a closer look. So down Chip Alley, we can see that they've started to put markers down. It's marking out where all the catering units are going to come. We do also have park run going on at the moment. You can see along the far end of Food Alley, some of the trucks have already started to pull up there. They will be allowed to pull up and then start construction tomorrow. You can see here, this looks like with a Jiminy Cricket style figure on top, so that's probably going to be a jump and smile type ride. In fact, looking at the arms, yes, that'll be a jump and smile. You can see this side, this is where it was all marked off for the showmen to live for the duration of the fair. Let's see what we can see on the overflow part. Yeah, so as I thought, at the far end, that is another Magic Mouse. It's either had a repaint, because I don't remember that colour scheme. I don't want to go down there too much because it is an active construction site down there, so I'll go from Gregory Boulevard and see what we can see. Pirate coaster, Pirate Kiddie coaster that was here last year. That's returned. That's all being set up. The Equinox is here. This is the Magic Mouse. Being lifted into place. See if we can get a bit closer. And you can see all the cars there. There's the Equinox. Oh. I say tomorrow morning, this part in particular will become a beehive of activity. The car park bit over there, they won't be allowed to pull onto that bit until the car park's closed, which is 6 o'clock tomorrow night. And then all the fun of building on the car park starts. So this is where all of the lorries that can't go down, that aren't going to be on that part of the site, they'll all wait here, they'll load up here and wait till tomorrow, and they can actually pull on to the car park site. So apart from the coaster, they always let the coaster come on because it obviously needs a much larger build time. You can see the toilets are now set up, ready to go. So we've got Pat Collins there. We've got a ride from Michael Harris' family. Let's go and take a walk near the spinning coaster before we head back up to the scout hut. You can see there's a couple of trains already at the bottom of the lift hill. Track isn't fully complete yet, and the chain isn't on the lift hill yet either. You can see there the rest of the cars are in situ in there. I think that's the part they're going to be moving around next. My videos last year, someone commented, I need more pictures of lorries, so there you go. As I say, the branded Pat Collins one just down there. And I'll try tomorrow when I'm here to get some of them actually moving on site. If I can find them, especially the traditionally painted up ones. I don't tend to see many of them now, but oh, there we go. Moving the station into situ. Again, apologies for the wind, it is quite windy up here today. go. Station being put in. Just for confirmation, I was indeed correct. It is the Joker. That made its Goose Fair debut last year. It's back again for 2024. It's a bomber style ride. It does look really good, especially in the night with the light package on. Look at its green and purple colour scheme. But again, we'll show you all that once the fair's up. I'll be coming down plenty of times. I'll do my normal sort of walk around when the fair's on, and a walk around when the fair's closed, so you can see and get a proper view of what's actually here. I think that's pretty much all we can show you on the fair in terms of build wise for today, so we're going to head back up to the scout hut now and start helping them set up with their stalls. And so the stall starts to come out, and I'll show you as we start building. And there's the base for the first stall in situ.
Wow. Goose Fair, £5 to go.
2 bases are now in place. There we go. There's the new pea stall next to the donut stall. All up, ready for Goose Fair. Well, there we go then. That's another construction update from Goose Fair. It's Saturday the 21st of September. If you like what we do, click like, hit subscribe, tick that notification bell. I'll see you really soon on another construction update video. Until then, keep on exploring.